LED light strips are a great option if you're looking for an affordable way to transform your living space, turn a drab deck into the perfect entertainment spot, or even light up your closet. While many options are relatively easy to self-install, trickier wiring to a light switch could require more expertise. It's my recommendation that you use a qualified electrician for the installation, says David Walter, master electrician and CEO of Electrician Mentor. There are numerous options for cheap LED light, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable LED light from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nexlux Wireless LED Lights. The Nexlux Wireless 16.4-foot kit is the highest performer in our test, running away with the top spot across nearly every metric. We like them for their robust, rubber-encapsulated construction and the Wi-Fi linked app. Nexlux doesn't claim their lights are outside ready, but the rubber coating over connections and LEDs certainly lends confidence to their durability. It's probably still a good idea to keep them away from any water. The app or remote can be used to change colors, fading rate, or blinking frequency over the internet from anywhere on Earth. Other lights we tested are brighter and whiter than the Nexlux. We recommend these lights for their colorful accent lighting, not for neutral illumination. That being said, unless you line them up right next to a better competitor, you likely won't notice much deficiency in terms of whiteness or brightness. Few, if any, real-world light strip installations will have different products immediately next to one another and standing alone. We think you'll be pleased with this model. Number 2. DAYBETTER LED Strip Lights 16.4 feet with remote. The DAYBETTER 16.4-foot kit with remote standard is an affordable and easy-to-use option. This is a good plug-and-play option with a simple setup and minimal components. Amongst the products we tested, the DAYBETTER is one of the least expensive. For simple accent lighting around your home, it's hard to do better than this DAYBETTER. To enjoy the savings, you make some trade-offs. The power cord is less than half the length of some other choices, limiting your installation options. The DAYBETTER's white mote also emits a bluer light than most. In comparative and objective tests, we found this product to be less bright than most of the competition. However, these differences probably won't be as apparent for casual accent lighting. Number 3. MINGER LED Strip Lights 16.4 feet. The MINGER 16.4-foot strip lights fall squarely into the middle of the pack. These lights offer decent performance at a reasonable price, making it hard to go wrong. They're brighter than average, but the white mote is less white than others. The power cord is longer than average, which is a plus. This might not seem like a big deal, but when you want to take advantage of these products' low-profile quick installation, you don't want to clutter the look by adding a suitable extension cord. These lights seem to come from the same manufacturer as the Govee lights. The box they came in says MINGER on the outside. Inside, though, all the instructional materials say Govee. The MINGER light components we have do not say Govee or MINGER on them at all. Very few strip light components from any brand have brands written on them, interestingly. Number 4. Armacost Lighting 421500. The Armacost Lighting 421500 offers up 16 feet of warm white light. This is the only single-color light kit we reviewed. This specialization, however, paid off. These lights are bright, radiant, and add a pleasant warmness to any room. While white is the only color setting, the brightness settings are highly variable, letting you dim them all the way down to 10% brightness. Easy to install and with no fussy technology to learn, you can have these lights up and running in just moments after unboxing them. The Armacost lights aren't Bluetooth compatible. Given our modern world, this might be a detractor for some. We found that the small included remote was more than adequate to control these lights. With the limited color spectrum, they are ideal for anyone looking for a simple way to add radiant white light to any of their living spaces. Number 5. LED Strip Lights 32.8 feet. The LE RGB strip lights is simple and powerful. In our comparative tests and with our light meter, this is among the brightest in the whole test. The 58-inch power cord is a bit shorter than average, but it's enough for most installations. When comparing the white modes, the LE is right in the middle. Our chief complaint with the LE RGB is that its remote is either improperly programmed or mislabeled. The blue and green tinted buttons on the remote change the lights to the opposite color. Push the green button, and you get blue lights and vice versa. Other iterations of this same make and model may not have this issue. It could be entirely confined to the product we tested. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.